The phenomenological approach is a qualitative research method designed to explore and understand the essence of human experiences from the perspective of those who have lived through them. This approach is particularly useful in qualitative studies because it delves deeply into how individuals perceive and interpret their own experiences, providing rich, nuanced insights that might be missed by more quantitative methods. To conduct a phenomenological study, researchers first identify and select participants who have experienced the phenomenon under investigation. For instance, if the research focuses on how women in agriculture navigate daily challenges, the study would involve interviewing female farmers to capture their personal narratives and experiences. The data collection process in phenomenological research typically involves in-depth interviews, where participants are encouraged to share their thoughts and feelings in detail. Researchers aim to gather comprehensive descriptions of participants' experiences, focusing on how they perceive and make sense of their situations. This method relies on open-ended questions and encourages participants to reflect on their lived experiences, offering a window into their personal perspectives. For example, an interview with a female farmer might explore how she balances agricultural work with family responsibilities, the support systems available to her, and the barriers she faces in her daily life. Once data is collected, researchers apply phenomenological reduction, a process of bracketing their own biases and preconceptions to fully engage with participants' perspectives. This step involves a detailed analysis of the data to identify and interpret key themes and patterns that reflect the core essence of the participants' experiences. During this phase, researchers carefully examine the data to uncover recurring themes, such as common challenges or emotional responses, and organize these themes to form a coherent narrative of the phenomenon under study. For instance, in a study on women in agriculture, researchers might find that many participants feel isolated due to a lack of support networks or access to resources. By highlighting these themes, the research provides valuable insights into the specific challenges faced by women in the field, which can inform the development of targeted interventions or support programs. The goal is to present a detailed, nuanced description of the phenomenon, capturing both shared experiences and individual variations. Phenomenological research is highly relevant to qualitative studies because it prioritizes the lived experiences of individuals, offering a deep understanding of how they experience and interpret their world. This approach allows researchers to explore complex, subjective phenomena in a way that quantitative methods often cannot. By focusing on participants' personal narratives, phenomenological research can reveal important insights that are grounded in their own realities, leading to a more comprehensive understanding of the phenomenon. For example, if a phenomenological study on women in agriculture reveals that a lack of access to training or resources significantly impacts their productivity and satisfaction, these findings can be used to advocate for better support systems or policy changes.